friends, my name is Reeshika and today I have birthday gift. And today we're going to make slime. Look guys, this is glue and this is bowl and this is color and this is ball and this is powder. Let's begin. Warm water and powder and mix it. And oopsie. And mix. Glue, water and mix it. Now we need to wait for 30 minutes. Mix the color. What? Now we need to mix it. Orange slime. Mix this. Oh, it's next. Make some more. Wow, the slime! It's ready! The slime is ready. Let's make. Thank you. Hope you like it.